Good morning to all. In this video, let us discuss about determining the minimum where number in an array. This program is written in 8085 microprocessor. Normally in 8085, the array length has to be determined. So therefore, for simplicity, we assume the first number is a total number of element in the array. Suppose for example 05 is mentioned here. After that only 5 numbers are given. So it is compulsory for this program is concerned. We have assumed like this. Fine. So this is stored in the memory location starting from 4200. So this is 4200, 201, 202, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So we are initializing the memory pointer 4200. Now the first memory location is copied to B, and B is having a value of 5 now, and we are decrementing because when there is a 5 numbers, there is going to be 4 comparison only. So when there is an n number, n minus 1 comparison is sufficient to find out the minimum number or maximum number also. So now we are incrementing the memory pointer, and then memory is pointing to this value. This is 20. And then that memory is copied to accumulator. So now accumulator is having 20, and we are incrementing the memory pointer. So now memory pointer is pointing out the number 12. Now we are comparing the memory with accumulator. That is number 12 is compared with accumulator content, that is 20. So now there is no carry generated. So when carry is generated, it is going to loop 1. So no carry is generated. So the next line is executed. So now accumulator takes the value of memory, that is 12. Now what we are doing is we are decrementing B register. So B is already 4. B is already having 4. So now B becomes 0, 3. And then since B is not equal to 0, we are simply going back here and executing this loop 2. Now we are incrementing the memory pointer again. So now the memory is pointing this 40, and now it is compared with memory and accumulators. Memory is compared with accumulator. Now what will happen? 12 minus 40 means carry is generated. Jump carry, we are coming to loop 1. So 12 is maintained in the accumulator. Again, once again the B register is decremented, then it becomes 2, and then jump no 0, it is going to loop 2 because 2 is not equal to 0. So therefore it is going to loop 2, incrementing the memory, that is memory is pointing out m is equal to 15 now. This 15 and 12 are compared. Again now carry is generated. When carry is generated, it is going to loop 1, decrement the B register, that is 0, 1. Now again we are incrementing the H. Now this is the M. So now comparison M and accumulator. Now carry is not generated because 12 is large number. Carry is not generated. When carry is not generated, what we have to do is move A comma M. That is, this instruction will be executed. So now accumulator is equal to 0, 6. So 0, 6 is the minimum number available in all the element of the array. So we have got the minimum number available in the accumulator. So we are incrementing the H. So which means the memory pointer is going to 4206. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is going to 6. In the 6, we are copying the smallest number. So if you want to find out the maximum number, we have to make a simple change. So instead of jump carry here, you just type jump no carry and repeat the same program. So what will happen when you are putting jump no carry? So this is first time we are swapping, no? Accumulator is 12. 12 is copied with accumulator is having 20. It is copied with 12. So this change will not happen because carry is not generated. So when jump no carry means whenever there is no carry, which means carry is not generated, we are going to loop 1. So we don't swap this number. So whenever this larger number comes, then no carry, that is carry comes. Whenever larger number comes, this is 20 minus 40 means carry is generated. So we have written jump no carry here. And no carry means it is jumping. Carry means it is copying the content of memory into the accumulator. Now the accumulator content will be copied to 40. You can try this on your own. You will get the idea properly. So for minimum and maximum, same program, only thing is this condition has to be changed. Okay, so go through this program in detail and watch this video for 2-3 times so that whatever doubts you have, you get clarified automatically. Even then, if you have any doubt, you can put it in the comment box. I will answer all the questions in the comment box. Thanks for watching. The next video, let us see how to sort the number in ascending order and descending.